SB19's newest endorsement ad has a deeper story to tell. Xiaomi has just released SB19's newest Redmi Note 14 series endorsement ad. The boys are playful in this ad pero may eksenang connected sa totoong pangyayari sa kanilang mga buhay before they become known as the P-pop King SB19. In this scene, it was Tel who pressed play that led to Pablo, Josh, and Justin getting out of the big cell phone screen. Josh then noticed someone is missing and so he pulled out Ken to them. And this scene pertains to their training days when they felt so tired and hopeless na ginusto na nilang huminto but Stel stayed. At dahil hindi rin naman nila kayang iwan si Stel na mag-isa ay bumalik din sila. Sa mga panahong ito ay wala pa si Ken and in a later date nang naghahanap na sila ng panlimang member, Josh called Ken to audition for them. He was then chosen to be their 5th member and so the rest is history. Pero ang dami pang struggles after that. Dumaan pa sila sa mga mahihirap at masasakit na karanasan bago pa sila napansin at nabigyan ng chance. Nakakatuwa lang na kahit ngayong ang taas na ng kanilang naabot, but still they reminisce those days. Yung tipong hindi lang basta-basta ang inaalala, kundi they cherish those moments and still use them as inspiration. They see those struggles as wisdom. At yan ang dahilan kung bakit nananatili silang mapagkumbaba at mabubuting tao kahit pa sa kasikatan at karangyaan na tinatamasa nila ngayon.